How to add tasks in Todoist. Want to capture everything from errands to deadlines? Here's how to add tasks in Todoist. So first, open Todoist on your device and choose the project where you want to add the task. Now from here, go ahead and select the section where you want to add this task. So if you don't have a section yet, simply click on this add section button, name it, and add a description for it, and then click on add section, and that section would then be added to your board. Now from here, click on this add task button to be able to add a task under that specific section, and then go ahead and set due date. So use natural language, type tomorrow, next Monday, or August 25, and Todoist will schedule it automatically. Assign priority, use flags P1 for urgent deadlines, P2 for important tasks, and P3 or P4 for low priority items. Now you can add labels. Labels like emails or errands help you filter tasks across projects. Save the task, and once completed, check it off, and Todoist will archive it automatically.